How to convert Google Docs to PDF file on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now for this process, what you have to do is just go to your Chrome browser. You can use any browser that you have on your device. Then on the search bar, just search for, you can just search for Docs to PDF converter. Now just search for it and it will give you many options where you can change it. So just I'm going to select the very first option that pops up. All you have to do is just drag and drop the document over here to upload. So just select from device and then you have to verify with your Google account as well. Now you can just select from the device over here. So just tap on select from device. Then tap on the media picker. So just tap on documents and you can select any documents that you have. Tap on start editing and it will just convert to the PDF in a while. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection for that. So there you go, you have your PDF file ready. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.